G. G.
Good job, 13. And S.
There we go. I'm not gonna play this game. I want to a cool game. Well, where is it? I thought you liked this game. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Pinkerton. I need a different one. I wanted the cookie. A different game. So for my read. It just has 1, 2, 3. So I'm playing this game, Pinkerton. Look. Look. I'm making sprinkles.